Hello, welcome to Bonoforms. Today I will guide you towards a new feature where you can easily preview your PDF while filling out the form itself. Firstly, we'll click on Form Creation option. Now I will add all the question type in accordance with my PDF requirement. As you can see, I have added all the question types in accordance with my PDF requirement. Now I will move towards customizing my PDF. I will click on Customize PDF. I will upload a sample file from my system and then I will click on Confirm. See, my uploaded file is here and along with all the questions which I have added in my forms. I will adjust this in my PDF accordingly. As you can see, I have added all the required fields accordingly. Now I will click on Save and will move back towards my form. Now I will click on Preview. Along with filling my form, I can also preview the PDF to look how my PDF is looking. So firstly, I will fill out the form. I have filled in all the informations required in my form. Now I will click on this I button which shows the preview the PDF as you fill the form. I will click on this I icon. As you can see, all the informations which I have added in my form is appearing on this PDF. I haven't filled the signature, so it's showing me like your signature. I have to fill that. I will just move back. I have added a signature. Now I will again move back to my PDF preview and see my signature has also been added the way I really want. This feature allows you to make visual adjustments and ensure consistent and professional look and also save time. Now I will click on fill the form now. I have already filled the form. I will click on view and verify PDF. Please wait while we are generating the PDF. My PDF has been generating here. Now I will click on I have read and verified the document and I will click on submit. My response has been recorded and also my PDF has been sent to the required email. Thank you.